Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Let's go over how to run payroll in QuickBooks Online. You'll also see how to change an employee's payment method from a paper check to direct deposit. If you need help with adding employees or setting up your payroll taxes, you can check out our videos on those topics at the end of this video. Go to Payroll and select Overview. Then select Run Payroll. Make sure the pay period and paycheck dates are correct. If they aren't, you can change them here. You'll see a list of your employees on this pay schedule. If you don't want to pay someone, uncheck the box next to their name. For salaried employees, QuickBooks calculates their pay based on the salary info you provided. For hourly employees, QuickBooks calculates their pay from the time you and your employees entered. If your team uses QuickBooks Time, their hours will automatically appear here for you to approve. Select Approve Time. From here, you can approve individual employees' time. If there's any missing time, use the Add Time button to enter it. And select multiple employees, and select Approve to approve the time for everyone you selected. Select the X to go back to running payroll. If any hours or pay amounts aren't correct, you can select the line with the employee to edit it. You can also add memos and change an employee from paper check to direct deposit. Note that to make this switch, you'll need to enter the employee's routing and account number for their bank. When everything looks right, select Preview Payroll. If you have automated taxes turned on, QuickBooks withdraws employee wages and taxes for jurisdictions you have set up from your bank. The money withdrawn for taxes is held for you so that QuickBooks can automatically pay your taxes later. For each employee, you'll see the total pay for the period, the taxes being withheld, and net pay they'll receive. Ensure you have the right bank account selected. Changing this doesn't change the actual bank account you use for payroll. You can change the bank account QuickBooks withdraws money from when you pay your employees in your payroll settings. Once you're ready, select Submit Payroll. Now you can print paychecks or pay stubs. Or, if your employees have access to QuickBooks Workforce, they can view their pay stubs there. Now you're ready to run your payroll in QuickBooks Online.